MC, and welcome to the Isle of Wight Takeover and the Rev Off. I've got the mics, I need to be quiet but loud because we are presenting this Revolution competition. It's not just these two cars, there's 40 cars to rev against each other, and we've got to decide who's the winner with decibels and crowd involvement. So, let's see what we can do. Should we go for the Puma, which I've just noticed has a Subaru logo on the back? 114.3 decibels. 112. 2 decibel difference. Next up, we've got this Skoda with some unique exhaust. Look at that. 114. So the Puma is still winning. Okay, next up we have the Ford Focus ST.
Revs is only 111, but Hobbs is 120.
So the Focus is the new victor of the competition. Let's see if the Mark III can beat the Mark II. We had 120 for the Mark II. I saw 121 for the Mark III. Yes! But now we have another Mark II to see if we can regain the championship of the Mark II Focus ST. Wow! 121.3. Champion Mark II is back. So next up we have the Suzuki Swift trying to beat the Mark II Focus ST. It's doing a wee. We've got a diesel Volvo next. There is a warning sign, a warning triangle by the exhausts. I don't know what they're warning us about. I saw 105.9. It's the taking part that counts. Next up, we have a Civic Type R EP3. I can't see an intercooler, but it has got a hole in its headlight for the induction. So the crowd has voted for the EP3 to win. It got 118, didn't quite get 121, but it'd be more entertaining with new cars, I reckon. So we've now got the Seat Cupra versus the EP3. So the Cupra got 117, 118 is still the victor with the EP3. So next to battle is the Mark VII Fiesta ST versus EP3. This is classic British car scene right here. Aww, cute little pops. We had boring from the audience. So after that Fiesta, we're gonna try another one. Let's hear the ST. 113.4. Oh, would you look at here, another Mark VII ST. However, this ST has a screamer. Should we put it at the back or the front? Let's try the front, let's mix it up. So the Civic's gone, and now we have a Dodge pickup. Next, we've got a V8. This is a 64 Dodge D100. The exhaust is at the side. V8 noises, please. Yeah, that was a win from the Dodge. The Fiesta has been booed off the stage. Let's see what's next. Oh good, another Mark VII ST. This one finished in satin yellow. Right, next up we have a VXR8. Let's grab the VXR8. So the VXR8 got 118. 119 didn't quite beat the Dodge. The Dodge is winning so far. It's starting to overheat a little bit, but it's about to get taken off by a Focus ST. This is obviously going to win. Let's hear it. That was awful. That was painful.
Absolutely painful.
But it got 122. It's the new champion. So the next contender has a diesel. Smooth. I think something's been deleted. This got 100.4, so we'll be leaving. This is still the victor. Oh wow, so next up, a Toyota IQ, a blue fridge with side pipes, I believe. And the little fridge has got a little plate down there to bounce the echo of the rev off. It's cheating, but will it work? Interesting. The crowd decided we didn't want to hear the ST anymore, so the fridge is now the new champion. Right, next up, we have a Subaru. We couldn't read it, we was backing off. Should we do it again?
I'm not scared, go on.
Lee's not scared. Do it again, let's do it again. 120.4, a new champion. Was that launch control?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was launch control, yeah. Just try not to engage it. So next up we have the Mark II Focus ST, another one. 121.6 was the Focus ST, so the Subaru is backing out. We've got another Focus. So next up we have the 5-litre Coyote V8 of the Ford Mustang versus the ST. Okay, that was amazing. Big cheers. That tickled the eardrum. Right, what we got? 126.3. Well done. Congratulations. That really tickled the eardrum, didn't it? So thanks, Focus ST, but we have a V8 winner so far. This Mustang sounds like it's going to absolutely destroy us and everything around it. And we're going to get noise complaints from Southampton, even up to London. Martini livery. Why is it idling that high? Have we got a support team?
But again.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Mustang v Mustang. That's unbelievable. Should we do a countdown? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! So, okay, who thinks the blue one won? And who thinks the Martini Mustang won? You are correct, it got 128. 128 was the Martini Mustang. So the new victor is the Rouse-tuned, supercharged, RTR ready to race Martini Mustang with canards, vents and vents, Martini livery, spoiler on the back, everything you can do has been done.
820 horsepower.
820 horsepower. So we're now putting the Mustang against a Mark VI Escort. ST170 engine apparently. Wow. That's an ST170 turbo. Only got 120.
Well done.
So it got close. Solid effort. So we've got another Focus ST to go against the Mustang on air rise. That was 122. Fail! Fail! So I've been told that this Focus is mental. We shall see. We shall see. Everyone's covering their ears. 125. So we're moving the Mustang over because we're bringing another Mustang in on this side. V8 versus V8, Mustang v Mustang. He is the victim of pleasure. Let's recap the Martini Martini Mustang, go! The whole car was shaking. 128.4! A round of applause! Amazing! Right, 128 to beat. Was shared. Close, so very close, but Martini is still winning. Is that a bike? So next we have, I don't even, it's a Suzuki, and it has 2 wheels. We'll do one more from the Mustang, see if we can beat 128 point. Ridiculous. Okay, Mustang, go! That was a 127. What is the motor bicycle going to do? So, we're going to ask the audience. Okay, who wants the bike to win? Who wants the Mustang to win? Yeah! Bike! Mustang! What are you meant to do that? We need a decibel reading. Okay. We're going to put a decibel reading for the crowd's cheers. Bike, cheer! 104.7. Mustang, cheer! 103.5. Bike win! Is that the last one? We have one more surprise. Another surprise. It's going to be an opera singer, isn't it? Unfortunately, the car was being beaten by a bike. We have a surprise entry. We're going to keep the car on.
No, he hasn't.
We have another motorbike. Whoa! Is it a Suzuki again? Yeah. It is. So, are we just doing the 2 bikes, yeah? Okay, so Suzuki 1, go for it. Only got 125. 125.9. 124. Didn't quite beat it. We have another surprise. They want to hear my car next. I'm looking forward to this. Even the start-up's going to be loud with those stacked exhausts. Are there any cats? Of course there's not. That was only 121.4. Is it on fire?
It's always on fire.
Okay, it's slightly. Oh wow, look at the glow. So after that, we're going to get all 3 of the winners, well, the finalists, to rev together the Mustang and the bikes. Is the Mustang on? Yes. Now it is. 3, 2, 1, go! That is final. The exhaust. Thank you very much. A round of applause for the finalists. So the guys from Anarchy Garage who were with me presenting have just started up their E63 powered Mustang and their V8 Mercedes to do their own little revolution competition. Once we've done that, we can look around the rest of the show, can we? 2, 1, go! So after that bit of noise, we're going to calm things down a little bit and actually look at some of the cars that are on the show and left in the show, such as the Skoda. And who'd have thought there's even a Lamborghini on the show? Fiesta ST with Lambo doors. I also completely forgot to mention, I'm actually wearing my Revit t-shirt. This is available at the link below, very appropriate for today. And even more 5-litre V8 Mustangs, Mach 1, big Mustang present here, huge Focus ST and Fiesta ST section here. This section they've got various characters. I think we've had enough of props and bangs. So we've got the Lightning McQueen Mark 7 Fiesta, and further down past Harley Quinn, the Abarth, the Why So Serious Joker, the Stormtrooper, the Spider-Man and Stitch themed vehicles, we've also got Donald Duck in the distance. And it sounds like we've got a car on the dyno. So I got 558, but they had to kind of tone it down because it started vibrating at top end. They said it could have had a bit more on it, maybe an extra 40, so it's probably about a 600 horsepower car. Oh, we got some more revolutions. Is that Stitch's face? I don't know why they're beeping. It's unusual. Now, I would like to show you the green light car of the show. It is in front of me. It is yellow, which is the best colour, so it makes sense. It is a yellow Nissan Skyline R33 beefy body kit. That is fantastic. Yellow seats as well. It's got the R33 skateboard deck. Big cannon on the back. See ya. But from the Isle of Wight Takeover, that was pretty much that for this year, and I even won an award for my car. It's got a little Hot Wheels car in it. This has been designed and made by the team at Greenlight, so thanks to Greenlight Insurance for inviting us along in the chase. So I hope you enjoyed both videos from this year at the Isle of Wight Takeover. We will be back, of course, next year for this fantastic, unique event. We're going to the pub. We're going to be queuing for a little bit as people pop and bang behind me, so follow me on all my social channels for the updates, highlights and pictures that I take at these meets and more. But for now, thanks for watching.